Yeah, I'm Ricky Velez, and you're watching LifeMinute TV.
Tessa Thompson plays a home healthcare worker. It's called a warm line, and it's not a crisis line, but you can call if you're going through something. She works at night, the character, because that's when most people are at their lowest. They feel lonely or they feel desperate, and there's somebody out there who can listen, literally listen, and maybe just give you some encouragement. Just reading the script, it was very, inspiring and helpful to me. It was such a beautifully written script by Alessandro Caman. The characters are so well drawn, and they're all going through something that's unique to them, but is relatable to us.
Well, we first started in Zoom. So it was just me, Steve, and Tessa on a Zoom. And I had never met her before, so we did that first, and then COVID rules and all that noise, so me and Steve had to work alone in a studio, but it was amazing. I mean, he's an incredible director, an incredible man, just so fun to work with, and I think it all trickles from the top, and Steve's the best. He really is.
I'm a huge Buscemi fan. I also am passionate about mental health, so I really look forward to seeing the film. Any conversation, any awareness that mental health is important for ourselves and for the people we love around us, and the things that we can do to help, and just be aware.
I do yoga, I go for walks, I meditate. I'm lucky to be in a good relationship where we can talk openly and freely. I have great friends. In the past, I have been in therapy. I'm not in therapy now. Have been really helpful to me.